Alright, let's start taking one of these apart. So I don't know if it tap off like that, like it's doing. There we go. Let me see if I can keep fighting the other one over there to get it off. We'll reuse these screws. I got this one. Look at that. Look at that. Ah. Well, time out a minute. Let me see if I can find another 1/4 inch. Go to town and get me another socket. An extension. Adapter. But this one appears to be coming out. Also went and bought a adapter to put on my little grinder there. So if I can get this one out, I should be able to get the other ones out or cut them easier than having to cut this one across the block. Now, let's see, I don't know if this one's stripped here or not. Yep, that was stripped. That one's stripped. Alright, so I kept cutting. I cut on the back side back here and finally got that bracket loose. And so this will come off now. So this is a new piece. So I'm missing, I guess it's this one. This is the one that come off the old truck, you see. Thing's in a lot better shape. It's just the turbos froze up. All right, tighten them up. Got a little wrench. Try that, see what happens. First thing this morning, I tried to haul a couple of loads. Actually trying to haul 4. I got 2 and I was going down the hill and the truck quit. And it quit up there when I was loading the gravel, but I just thought it was a loose battery cable. I tightened it, but October 2011. Shipped May of 2012. That may be part of my problem. So I take them to town, get them checked out. It's 9 years old. Got a good life out of them anyway. All right, got 2 batteries put in. Nothing $300 won't fix. Finish, get them tightened down, then we'll go turn it on and see what happens. Hey, we got power. See if it'll crank. About to swing the belt off of it.